Hello chat, it's me Razzo, and judging by the title of this video, we're gonna be comparing dot sounds from two different dot games. But before we get into anything, please consider liking dot this video and subscribing. Dot it seriously helps dot me out in the long run. Alrighty, with that out of the dot way, let's begin this video.
Can you hear me? Hi, it's me. So you know how I've been practicing piano and stuff, and not really any good at it yet, at all. But I wrote you a song, and I was kind of hoping that I could show it to you, because I worked really, really hard on it. So, yeah.
Wow, you must be pretty clever. But I knew you could find me. That's why I prepared a special surprise. It's called Baldi's Fun Time Song. I wrote it myself. Okay, here it goes. Enjoy!
Alright everybody, it's time to have some fun! Get ready to dance!
Alright, that's all of the similar sounds I noticed. Thanks for watching, bye.